Hi guys, welcome back to the second video in our customized one-page enrollment. So we left off last time showing you how to use the page as it stands. The only issue we have at the moment is that our new products are not listed in here, so we have to alter slightly so that we can get them to read our new products. So this was a sheet we had. I still have my username, I still have associate, and I still have Australia. Don't touch any of this. Leave it exactly how it is. The same with this. Leave it exactly how it is. Go directly to your last page. This is the only spot here on this page you are going to change. The only spot. Now, I will send you a list of codes. So let's pick a code. Pick one. 1650. 1650 tab, and again 1650. That is our true control with Dynamine all in. Do not worry about changing this because this has nothing to do with the process when it goes through. This is just a title to show you what it is. Click and save your link or copy your link. Go to a new page. One thing you must do is always test these codes before you send it out to someone. So paste it in and have a look at it before you send it out. And it should come up with, yep, there you go. So what it's done is it's come up on the right hand side. It's come up with the annual membership. It's come up with our Dynamine. And yes, it's playing silly buggers at the moment. That will come up as a proper total, but see how I said you must check before you do this that this code works. Now I know this is going to work, I just think there's a little glitch in the system at the moment. So that's how you change it to Dynamine. So just once again, you go back, you leave everything in this page exactly how it is when I send it to you, apart from when I send it to you, you change these details. Then you go straight to the last page and you change this detail here. So I just want to try if I click this link. Sometimes you can click this WordPress link. It's not going to let me do it. Okay, so let's try a different code. Let's try 1615. Then let's take this out and put 1615 again, and then let's try our code. Copy, go to a new page and paste. Will it work? Won't it work? Will it work? Won't it work? Let's see. Waiting. Awesome. All right, so this will show you that it's come through with an annual membership. It's a 30-day combo with Dynamine and Renew, and it's $138. And then it's actually given you the correct total. It's also given you a smart ship and a total there. So that's perfect. The second one came perfect. I just think there might be an issue with 1650 at the moment, but this one here is definitely working. So pretty much that's how you change it to our new codes, which I'll send through. Always check the link before you send it to your customer, because you don't want to send them a link that A, doesn't work, or B, is incorrect, and then you're up for whatever mistake you've made. All right, that's the second one. I'll be back with the third video in a couple of minutes.